Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students, I hope you in a good condition. In this special occasion, Miss Rizzi wants to explain to you about Work Book Unit 2 Lesson 2. Please pay attention and don't forget, if you have any difficulties in understanding, you can call Miss Rizzi in WhatsApp. You can text me if you don't understand. Just please study really hard.
Unit 2, Lesson 2, Part A. Write the missing words and number the sentences from 1 to 4. Di bagian ini kalian diharuskan untuk mengisi titik-titik dan diminta untuk memberikan nomor di kotak yang ada di sini ya. Jadi ini sesuai dengan nomor yang ada di gambar atas. Misalnya yang nomor 1 Miss Rizzi guide ya. Bla 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 was confused because teacher. Kira-kira gambar yang mana yang kira-kira berhubungan dengan guru? Nah, otomatis yang di sini ya. Karena ini ada gambar papan tulis dan sedang ada soal tentang mungkin Pitagoras ya. Jadi tulisnya di sini. Ini nomor 3 ya. Jadi gambar nomor 3 ditulis di sini. 3 ya, number 3. Katrina was confused because she didn't understand her teacher. Miss Rizzi ulangi. Number 3, Katrina, ini ya namanya. Katrina was confused because she didn't understand her teacher. Lanjut ke bagian B. Got up. Kira-kira gambar mana? 1, 2, atau 4 yang berhubungan dengan bangun dan terlambat sekolah. Ya, ini kan pasti nomor 2 karena dia lagi pegang jam alarm dan ini jamnya sudah jam 8. Berarti di sini number 2 namanya ditulis number 2. Nick got up late so he was late for school. Number 2, Nick got up late so he was late for school. Oke, sekarang nomor yang bagian C antara nomor 1 dan nomor 4. Bla 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 because he went to bed late. Nah, kira-kira yang mana yang telat tidur? Ya, berarti Mike ya. Yang ini tulis number 1. Mike was tired because he went to bed late. Number 1. Mike was tired because he went to bed late. Nah, ini yang terakhir, otomatis yang gambar terakhir ini ya yang belum. Number 4, ini ditulis 4 di dalam kotak. Jennifer forgot her key so she couldn't open the door. Number 4, Jennifer forgot her key so she couldn't open the door. Oke, beralih ke number B. Disuruh ngapain ini? Complete the conversation. Disuruh melengkapi percakapan. Bisa dilihat di sini ada perempuan yang sedang berbahagia, tangannya ditaruh di atas ini, dan seorang anak laki-laki yang sedang nervous atau khawatir ya, dia grogi. Nah, oke, langsung aja yang nomor 1. Miss Rizzi guide. How was Tracy? She was happy because she passed the test. How was Tracy? She was happy because she passed the test. Number 2. What happened to Tony? He had to give a speech, so he was nervous. What happened to Tony? He had to give a speech, so he was nervous. Okay, move to bagian C ya, part C. Rewrite the sentences using the guide below. Dilihat itu ada kotak panduannya di bagian atas. Yang baris pertama, she was afraid because she thought she failed the test. She thought she failed the test, so she was afraid. Jadi dibalik. Dia takut karena dia pikir dia akan gagal dalam tes. Dia berpikir dia gagal dalam tes, makanya dia takut. Cuma dibalik, jadi kata hubungnya aja yang berbeda. Ya, kata hubungnya dari because nanti dipindah jadi so. Oke, langsung saja. Ini Miss Rizzy cepat ya, karena gampang dan ini tidak merubah kata. Kalian bisa lihat. She was confused because she didn't understand the teacher. Dia bingung karena dia tidak paham dengan gurunya. Berarti di sini ditulis she didn't understand. Nah, dari sini ya. Potongan setelah kata because. She didn't understand the teacher, so she was confused. He ripped his jeans because he was in a hurry. Dia tidak sengaja ya, dia merobekkan celana jeansnya karena dia sedang terburu-buru. He was in a hurry, setelah kata because ya. He was in a hurry, so setelah so balik lagi ke paling depan. So he ripped his jeans. Lanjut ke nomor 3. She was happy because she met her friends. Dia sangat bahagia karena dia bertemu dengan temannya. She met her friend, so she was happy. He was tired because he went to bed late. Dia capek karena dia telat tidur. He went to bed late, so he was tired. Ini gampang, ini tinggal dibalik-balik ya, depan jadiin belakang. Sudah. Oke, yang ini nomor D ini disuruh melengkapi dulu sebelum kalian ngerjain 3 soal yang di bawahnya. Ya, ini di teks atau di percakapan ini kalian lengkapi dulu. Oke. What happened to Jack? Happen verb 2 ya, ditambahin ed di belakangnya. What happened to Jack? Apa yang terjadi dengan Jack? He is having a bad day. Dia sedang mempunyai hari yang buruk. It happens to us all. Itu juga terjadi ke kita semua. Yes, it does. Ya, memang. He was late for school because he forgot to set. S-E-T. Dia set ya, S-E-T. Dia telat sekolah karena dia lupa men-setting jam alarmnya. Oh well, that's not too bad. baiklah, itu tidak terlalu buruk. He also spilled, S-P-I-L-L-E-D, spilled, S-P-I-L-L-E-D. He also spilled juice on his new shirt because he was in a hurry to get to school. Dia juga menumpahkan jus di bajunya yang baru karena dia sedang terburu-buru untuk pergi ke sekolah. Then he had to take a test in English class, so he was nervous. Kemudian dia harus mengikuti ulangan di kelas bahasa Inggris, makanya dia grogi. Why? Jack is never nervous. Kenapa Jack nggak pernah grogi? He didn't study. He didn't study because, because he didn't study because he was up late last night writing a story for the short story contest. Dia tidak belajar bahasa Inggris ini ya. Dia tidak belajar bahasa Inggris karena dia tidak tidur malam kemarin karena menulis sebuah cerita untuk perlombaan cerita singkat. Poor Jack. Kasihan Jack. Let's do something nice for him. Mari kita melakukan sesuatu yang baik untuknya. Good idea. Ini good ya. Good idea. Ide yang bagus. Let's buy him lunch today. Ayo kita membelikannya makan siang hari ini. Wah, teman yang baik ya. Oke, bisa ditiru itu. Sekarang yang soal nomor 1. Why was Jack late for school? Kenapa Jack telat? Ya karena tadi dia lupa. Jadi gini. He forgot to set his alarm clock, so he was late for school. Atau ini aja, nggak apa-apa ditulis. Mulai dari sini, he was late for school because he forgot to set his alarm clock. Udah, tulis di sini yang nomor 1 ya. Gampang ya. Ya, sekarang nomor 2. What happened to Jack's new shirt? Why? Apa yang terjadi di baju barunya si Jack? Kenapa? Jadi gini, he spilled, yang ini ya, he spilled juice on his new shirt because he was in a hurry to get to school. Ya, mulai dari ini. He also-nya nggak usah ditulis, tapi ya, he spilled juice on his new shirt sampai to school. Tulis sendiri. Number 3. Why was Jack nervous for the English test? Kenapa Jack grogi di ulangan bahasa Inggris? Ya ini ya. Jawabannya yang ini ya. He didn't study. He didn't study. He was late. He was up late last night. Nah, sampai sini juga enggak apa-apa. Because he didn't study, gitu aja enggak apa-apa deh. Why was Jack nervous for the English test? Because he didn't study. Oke, lanjut number A. Complete the conversation. Lengkapi percakapan. Oke. Dilihat ya. Di sini ada anak yang lagi main main es salju ya, salju tapi tergelincir, malu lah pasti. Oke, how was Travis? Ini was ya, kayak ini ya tulisannya. How was Travis? Bagaimana Travis? He was embarrassed. He was embarrassed because he slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Slipped. Kepleset. Bukan tidur ya. Kepleset tapi ya. He slipped on the ice. Dia malu karena dia terpeleset di es. Really? Benarkah? Yes, he slipped on the ice. So, he was embarrassed. Number 2. Oke, Miss Rizzy nggak ulangi berkali-kali ya. How was Dave? How was Dave? He was excited because he passed the test. Pakai ed ya, belakangnya yang ini ya, pastnya ya. How was Dave? He was excited because he passed the test. Really? Yes, he passed the test. So, he was excited. Nah, ini juga dibalik-balik ini ya. Oke, lanjut ke bagian F. Oke, di bagian F ini kalian disuruh menulis clue. Ini sudah ada clue, kalian disuruh nulis conversation-nya. Ya, gampang lah ya. Oke, nomor 1. How was James? How was James? He was disappointed because he lost the race. Ini ya, lihat di kata-kata di soal ya. Serius ulangi. He was disappointed because he lost the race. Really? Ini tetap cuma pakai tanda tanya, pakai question mark. Really? Yes, koma bawah. He lost the race, so he was disappointed. Yes, he lost the race, so he was disappointed. Oke, sekarang yang nomor 2. Sama seperti yang atas. How was Maria? He was confused because she was confused because she didn't understand the teacher. She was confused because she didn't understand the teacher. Really? Ini tetap pakai tanda tanya really. Yes, she didn't understand the teacher, so she was confused. Yes, she didn't understand the teacher, so she was confused. Oke, sekarang ke bagian G. Complete the letter and answer the question. Lengkapi surat dan jawab pertanyaan. Dear Uncle Thomas, kepada Paman Thomas. Thank you for your postcard. I'm writing you a letter because I don't have any postcard. Terima kasih untuk suratmu. Aku menulismu sebuah surat karena aku nggak punya postcard apapun. Tomorrow is the big speech contest. Besok adalah perlombaan pidato yang besar. I'm nervous because I won the last. I'm nervous because I won the last speech contest. Ya, isi kontes. Aku grogi karena aku memenangkan perlombaan pidato kemarin, tahun yang lalu. And I really want to win this one too. Dan aku sangat ingin memenangkan yang ini juga. I get embarrassed when I had a math test. Aku malu ketika I'm embarrassed when I'm nervous. Aku malu ketika aku grogi. Sometimes I even do silly things. Kadang-kadang aku bahkan melakukan hal-hal yang memalukan. Kemarin, yesterday, I was nervous because I had a math test. Nervous ya ini ya. Aku kemarin grogi karena aku mempunyai tes atau ulangan matematika. I didn't study for it. Aku tidak belajar. Because I was up all night writing my speech for the contest. Karena aku masih belum tidur menulis pidato untuk perlombaan. I forgot to set my alarm clock. So, I was late for school. Aku lupa menyeting jam alarm, jadi aku telat berangkat sekolah. At breakfast, I spilled milk all over the kitchen table. Saat sarapan pagi, aku menumpahkan susu di semua meja dapur. It was not a good day. Itu bukan hari yang baik. I hope tomorrow is better. Aku harap besok hari yang lebih baik. See you soon, George. Sampai berjumpa secepatnya, George. Jadi ini ponakannya namanya George. Why is he nervous today? Kenapa dia nervous hari ini? Dia grogi hari ini? Because he will give a speech tomorrow. Because he will give a speech tomorrow. Number two. Why was he nervous yesterday? Kenapa kemarin dia grogi? Because he had a math test. Because he had a math test. Number 3. What did he do at breakfast yesterday? Apa yang dia lakukan saat makan pagi kemarin? He spilled milk all over the kitchen table. Nah, ini ditulis. Ya, I-nya diganti he. He spilled milk all over the kitchen table. Oke, sekarang di bagian H. Bagian H ini yang terakhir. Answer the question, use because or so. Nah, ini saat jawab kalian nanti diharapkan untuk menggunakan kata hubung because atau so. How are you today? Bagaimana kabarmu hari ini? Misalkan Miss Rizi ya ini. Jadi nanti jawabannya bisa bervariasi, nggak harus nyontek Miss Rizi. I am hungry because I didn't have breakfast. Nah, itu ada kata because-nya. How did you feel this morning? Apa yang kamu rasakan pagi ini? I felt, pakai verb 2, I felt sleepy because I went to bed late. I felt sleepy because I went to bed late. How did you feel last night? Apa yang kamu rasakan malam kemarin? I was happy because I had my favorite food for dinner. I was happy because I had my favorite food for dinner. How did you feel on Sunday? Apa yang kamu rasakan di hari Minggu? I felt tired because I had a lot of homework to do. I felt tired because I had a lot of homework to do. Oke, itu penjelasan dari Miss Rizzy untuk workbook unit 2 lesson 2. Kalau masih ada yang ketinggalan bisa di pause ya, di jeda-jeda. Jangan lupa untuk tetap mengerjakan soal link Google Form dan juga upload foto workbook kalian seperti yang sudah-sudah. Thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.